Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present our group project in this video. For the first, we will start with introducing ourselves first. So, my name is Nurul Qurratu Ainaja binti Roslam.
And my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Hafizi.
So, according to work on our group project, we decided to choose theory of the marketing mix for peace, which related to business studies.
What is marketing mix? The marketing mix, introduced by Jerome McCarthy in 1916, a foundational framework for developing effective marketing strategies. It consists of four interdependent elements, which is product, promotion, price, and place. Product is referred to the goods or service offered, focusing on meeting customer needs through factory's quality and branding. Price involves setting a value that balances affordability and profitability, considering factors like cost and market demand. Other than that is place in precise distributions and accessibility, ensuring product reach customer. Other than that is promotion. Encompasses communication strategies like advertising and social media to build awareness and drive customer engagement. Together, this element enable business to respond to market trends, outperform competitors, and deliver value to their target audience. Now, we move to data analysis, which is 2.0, which is the data looks at 4 variables, 1 independent variables, and 3 independent variables. The standard deviations show that the answer vary a bit for each variables. The average score are close to each other, with the lowest being 1.18 for product qualities and the highest one is 1.36 for sales promotion, indicating general agreement among the respondents. The lowest score recorded was 1.00 and the highest was 2.00. In the regression analysis, the predicted value ranged from 1.04 to 1.85 and the model seems to fit the data well. A comparison between male and female response shows small difference across the 4 dependent variables. Overall, the data is consistent with only slight variations in response. Now, 3.0, which is the analysis presents 3 key statistical tests, which is normality, percent correlations, and cross-batch alpha. For the first normality test of the regression, researchers suggest that the data closely follow a normal distribution, with most results centered around 0. Although 3 are slight deviations at the extreme, the percent correlation analysis shows strong positive correlations between the dependent variables and the independent variables, with IV1 having the highest correlation with DV. Finally, the cross-batch alpha analysis confirmed that the relationship between variables are statistically significant, which is a sample size of 60, providing a solid foundation for further regression analysis. Truth multicolority should be addressed.
Next, we go to regression coefficient and R-square. This report looks at the 4 P's of the marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion, which are important for creating marketing strategies. It's also used as statistic to analyze the data. For example, the standard deviation values for product quality is 1.20545 and pricing strategy 1.40056 show how much the answer vary. The regression analysis revealed that product quality has the biggest impact on the outcome DV, explaining 50.8% of the variation. The model is statistically significant and there are no issues with multicollinearity, meaning the factors don't overlap too much. The analysis also covers various statistical methods used in the report, such as standard deviation, regression coefficients, R-square, and multicollinearity. And next, we move to multicollinearity. Multicollinearity occurs when independent variables in regression model are highly correlated, which can affect the reliability of the result. The collinearity diagnostic table help identify potential issues. The first dimension shows no problem as it has a largest eigenvalue and a condition index of 1. However, the other dimensions show smaller eigenvalues and higher condition index, indicating a greater chance of collinearity. Specifically, in the fourth dimensions, product quality and pricing strategy have a high proportion of variance, suggesting they may be contributing to multicollinearity. On the other hand, sale promotion have low variance across the dimension, meaning it's less likely to cause Then, the hypothesis test aimed to determine if there was a significant difference between the mean scores of the independent variable. The null hypothesis HO assumed no significant difference between the means, while the alternative hypothesis H1 perceived a significant difference. Using ANOVA, the means and standard deviation for IV1, IV2, and IV3 were compared. IV1 had a mean of 1.1833 and a standard deviation of 0.30136. IV2 had a mean of 1.2333 and a standard deviation of 0.35014, and IV3 had a mean of 1.3617 and a standard deviation of 0.38197 with a consistent sample of the 60 respondents for each variable. This result suggests that the respondent perception vary significantly across the three factors. Last but not least, this report highlights the critical role of the marketing mix in influencing consumer perceptions. The analysis showed that the product quality has the strongest impact, making it a key focus for businesses aiming to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Statistical tests confirm significant differences in how respondents view the three factors, emphasizing the need for tailored strategies. Regression and correlation analysis also suggest that while all factors contribute, businesses should prioritize product quality while managing the interplay between pricing and promotions. Overall, the finding underscored the importance of aligning marketing strategies with customer expectations to drive success and sustainable growth.